Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My auntie have sent me a Lego City aeroplane, a fighter jet, and it is 5+1. Here it is. Let's open it. So manufacturer and Lego. So there is a QR code that you can scan and play with it. Man also. A human. And it carries a fire rod. It carries a fire rod. Wait, where is this? It wear a helmet also. Let me tell you, this is a pilot. Now second we have to take is this. Then put the blue thing in up. And now I have to put this. And there is a lever also. Okay. So now I have to take this part and put this part in the middle of it. Then I have to put this in here. And now I have to put the black part here. Now I have to put these two here. Then I have to put these two at our pilot is dead. Yeah. Now you have to put this. I think it has to. That is on right. No. First we have to put this. Second is this. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I did it all wrong. I just put the So I just put this part in here, but it should be not here, it should be here. So a little mistake. Now the green part. We have to get our brownie. And this is already I put it. Okay, there is some seat also for our. Okay, so now which part? Oh, this one. And it is a little tricky. I can't guess which one it is, but it is little hard to build. And do you know, there is a fire from that a jet came in. So I need this part also for. Now I need this. Put here. And second is this. Third is both. here. Here. It is ready. I'm gonna not filled it. Our back part is all like already done a little. Now I have to, and we can make a Minecraft chest with this. Now these are ready. So now we have to put these two here. And now these small little mobile type blocks here. Now these two. See? Here. Oh yeah, I just did a little bit wrong at here. My mom. No, this here. What happened? Okay, I have to get these at here to make it a slender shape, and these to glow to here. Now I have to do is the fun part. I just have to put this at here, and it could open, and our pilot could sit in. Our jet is a little bit looking like a jet. Just a little bit part is left to make a full jet. Now we just need to put some tires and the flag. Not the flag, it's like jet thing. So first I need this. Second. Could also move as a car. Now last we have to do, wow. Now last we have to do is to put these at here and these at here. Now when we are gonna put these here, it could move when it is landing, when it is flying, we need to open these, and when it is landing, we have to close these. So now we are going to put our pilot in, and our Lego City aeroplane is gonna be all right. Goodbye, little one. So our flag says to go. Our flag says to stop. But I'm not stopping. Now let's go to the air. Bye guys, and please subscribe to my channel and